Let's create a rolling techno kick in FL Studio. This is a preset sound that I'm going to use for this rolling techno bass line. And then let's open up the piano roll. And what you want to do is set it here to 1/4 beat. So every 16th note, we're going to have our hit. And what you're then going to do, holding Alt whenever you select it, make it a little bit shorter. And there you can already hear the effect. I'm going to turn on sound chain for now. See, this is what we get so far. But what I also did is I put my velocity here on the cutoff. And then you can play with the cutoff. And then you can also play, for example, each third 1 octave up. And then you can duplicate this over to the other bars. So duplicate it like this. And then you can also create more unique patterns. I just do this quickly. You can just go however you like. Maybe here one down, and same here. Then we need the sidechain. So it won't collide with our kick. Now in the mixer, let's look at the volume right here. And then we can also, for example, add some camel crusher to distort it a bit. You can put out any effects that you would like, and maybe also some EQ. You can choose frequencies that you like. And this is how you can create a simple techno rolling bassline in FL Studio, keeping in mind with the most important stuff. And from here on out, the sky is the limit. Build on this as you please.